everyone, my name is Olshus and today we are going to make some review of the Android and let's take a look for the old school devices, so let's start. Okay, so let's install CyanogenMod on Galaxy S4 International model. So what you have to do, you have to head on downloads, cyanogenmod.org, and then you have to select device Galaxy S4. So next thing is for you to decide what release you want to install. So either the latest release, which is the official one of the CyanogenMod, or you would like to test a beta version, which is called type, which is called nightly type. And the nightly type is the most recent for Android version. So CM13 means that it will be Android 6.0.1. Okay, so you click on that and it just automatically starts to download. Since I don't have internet here, so it will not download. But anyway, you can see from here that I downloaded two things. This is the zip CM13, so that's a basic download, the main one. And also I need to download Google Maps, which is called OpenG apps. Yeah. So so let's head on to the, if there will be internet, and I hope there will be. So anyway, when you download G apps, I recommend to download store version, which will be a stock version, which will contain all the necessary files and apps for daily usage. So well. And now let's talk about, for example, what if you screw your device, you hard brick or soft brick. So let's turn the device off. Let's power it off. And just in case, let's do one procedure. So what do you have to do? You have to click 3 buttons at once. So one of them is volume up, then home button, and then a power off. Power button. So let's do it. And you have to hold on for a few seconds once it vibrates. So you can see also that it's booting into recovery mode, recovery booting. Yeah. And then you will see good recovery, which is really useful. And it's the latest one, which is called Team Win. Recovery project. And I think one of the latest version 3.00. Yeah. So what we have to do is make a test. So in this case, if we wipe something and just you make mistake, like you wipe this cage, and then suddenly just you take data, which will be a critical thing. You will lose all information, all the files, all photos, music, everything, and then also the system will be deleted. So basically you have nothing. And anyway, don't panic. You still have. I will explain you how to to fix that. So let's do it. Let's do that. Just in case. So for example, data, everything, and then swipe to wipe. But anyway, if you want to make it just a clear system, just to delete system, so what you have to do, you have to, once you click wipe, you just swipe to factory reset. And it will be the best option because it will just automatically delete system and all the files in order to install a new system, a ROM or a Google Apps or any other things that you want. And so in this case, let's make a mistake on purpose. So what I do, I just delete everything. Well, internal storage cache, let's do it. Just a second. Yes. Okay, cache, and then swipe to wipe. Yes. And after that, you probably think that, oh my God, you even will not have access to the storage of the phone, but well, fortunately, you will have. That's why this recovery is really cool. It has not only a touch screen, but also you can plug in your USB and then you will be able to put all the files inside. So if, for example, you reboot the system and then swipe to reboot, and most likely you will see just a Samsung logo and nothing else, and the system will not boot up. So that's a failure, and you have none of the files, and just it's a soft brick phone. Yep. It takes long, so anyway, I can wait longer, but it's pointless because anyway it will not boot up. So what you have to do is just remove the battery, put on, and make the same procedure that we made before. So we have to click warm up, home button, and the power button. So let's do it. And then I will repeat, you have to hold on after vibration for a few seconds so that it will just boot into recovery. So let's wait a little bit. You remember before in the beginning of my video, there was definitely, you saw the system, everything boot up, but now nothing. So what you have to do, let's check our storage. You can also check on this recovery system by clicking probably advanced and file manager, and you can see it's just files that have only system files, nothing else. So basically it's a clear device. And let's check on the Windows device. So we will be heading to this device, and now we can see clearly that devices connected, including devices connected, we see our storage. Well, but still we have some files, but I think they are useless and nothing is inside here. So what we have to do, we have to put a new file. Okay, I created a new folder, but somehow, okay, let's delete one. And just click inside, and those apps that I downloaded, we have to put that inside. So let's do it. Okay, so sorry for taking time because of, okay. So you see those files? Yeah. So this is the main files that we put inside the folder of our Android device. Yeah, so basically we are putting it here. Yeah. So let's wait a little bit before it does its job. Yeah. So we can see the storage, how many space does each file requires. So main file, it requires over 343 megabytes, and Google Apps, it depends. So I just chose a mini, which is not a stock version, just to work faster, and just a basic thing to test. And let's see. So okay, it's finished. So now let's make install. And in order to work also Google Maps, you have to, okay, let's do like this way. We click this and then add more zips, and you click this one. So we can clearly see that I've chosen 2 of max of 10 files queued. And okay, and then you just swipe to confirm flash. Okay, So I can see installing. So you see, there is no need to panic. Everything can be figured out. Even my mom's scratched. My phone was broken. My mom's phone was broken, so it's repairable and will not cost a lot. So we can see a process which includes like developer terms and verifying the updated system image. Okay, so it keeps going, and then after some time you will see that it's finished. So I will just film a little bit more so that you can compare, just in case if you install on any Android device or cyanogen mode. So okay, so result was succeeded. Now installing open Google Apps, installing core Google Apps, and it just keeps going and continuously doing its job. So and okay, so for now it is. Okay, so you can also see the names of the apps at being installed. So you can see mainly all of them are Google apps. One of the interesting features is that you can see the time and the temperature of CPU, which is 55 degrees of Celsius now. Well, it's unstable because of course it's working. The battery. Also, you know, the most important thing that before all those recovers were invented, all the first recovers, so they didn't have access to use USB, so that you can charge the phone just like putting the USB inside the phone and it's just charging. So that's a very good thing. And so we can see that it's finished, and then we can just reboot the system. But anyway, let's just get it and look for most features. Well, I can see even terminal. It's a really developer way made recovery. So also you can back up your system in case if you want to restore something. Well, even settings, something very useful. Well, there are so many features, you know, time features. It's like a separate system. Why should we use the normal Samsung system? No, just joking. So let's just reboot the system. So in this case, okay, reboot system. Yeah. So okay. So what we have here is Samsung Galaxy S4 logo. And okay, I think there is no need. Maybe there is need. Okay, so the first steps, the first signs of life. Well, definitely it will take some time. So I will put off my camera. Okay, so what we see now is that it's installed, and we see welcome notification. So let's skip all the parts, skip anyway, skip SIM card, no need to sign in, just no, just like this, like this, go. Okay, so let's try this launcher. Okay, got it. So let's increase brightness. Wow. So it's working. Yep. And let's take a look about phone. So we see also there is very interesting feature, cyanogen mode updates, and also it allows you to by internet to download the update. Just you click for update, like this, and it searches. But of course you need a connection, the internet. So after you check, you just simply install it, and I will, for the next video, I will show you how it installs. So we can see Android version 6.0.1, Cyanogen mode 13.0. And also we can see the date 2016-08-12. So this is the latest one. And well, it's done. Now let's check this launch.